Mom, look, I drew a picture of the three of us.
Don't bother me. Can't you see I'm buried in work?
But I only wanted to show you. I spent a whole morning making it.
Get out of here, you worthless child! Don't bring this trash anywhere near me.
You deserve that. Drawing silly pictures while Mom is upset and you keep annoying her. Look at your stupid face. You're such a burden.
That was a picture I made with all my love for Mom. Mary, please don't say that.
I already told you, I don't have time to hear your whining. Leave this room right now so I can finish my work.
This fragrance smells wonderful. A costly perfume bottle like this should belong to me.
Mary! What was that sound? Are you all right? Did the glass hurt you?
Oh my God! My expensive perfume bottle! Who did this?
Mom, Megan did it. She sneaked into your room and started touching your things. I tried to stop her, but she wouldn't listen and ended up breaking it.
No, Mom. I only came in after I heard something crash. I swear I never touched the perfume bottle.
Be quiet. You did something wrong and still dare to deny it and accuse your sister? You useless disappointment.
Mom, please trust me. Mary is lying. I truly didn't do it.
Get out of my sight this instant. I don't want to see your face for another moment. From this day forward, I don't have a daughter like you. Leave my house and never come back again.
Mom, please. Don't throw me out. It's freezing outside.
Why are you crying, you useless thing? Hurry up and disappear, so this house can finally be peaceful.
I won't give up, but I need to survive on my own. Ladies and gentlemen, I draw portraits. For a little money, I can draw a beautiful picture for you.
Such a little girl and you can draw portraits. All right then, try drawing me.
Yes, ma'am. Please sit still. I'll start right away.
Little girl, did you learn to draw by yourself?
Yes, sir. I practiced alone using these small pencils.
But why are you sitting here earning money with drawings? Where are your parents?
My mother threw me out of the house. I have nowhere to stay.
I am a painter. Would you like to come live with me?
Are you serious, sir?
Of course. I will adopt you and help you become an artist.
Yes, I would. Thank you so much, sir.
Mary! Your grades keep getting worse and worse.
Stop complaining, Mom. I just want to play.
I give you everything you could ever want, and this is how you repay me?
You're improving very quickly, Megan. Your artwork is full of emotion.
Thank you, Father. I will do my best in the upcoming contest.
I believe in you. Just paint with confidence and express what's in your heart.
Mary, sweetheart, Mom bought you the finest art set in the city. My brilliant daughter will surely win first place.
Oh, please. I could paint better than everyone else without even trying. I was born talented. Why would I waste time practicing and ruin my nails?
That's right, my precious daughter. Nobody can match your talent. Let those ordinary people spend all day practicing. The championship already belongs to you.
Of course, Mom. Just wait until I bring home the gold trophy. I won't waste a single bit of effort preparing. Oh, look! A homeless girl came to enter the art competition, too. With those tiny, broken pencils.
I thought you would have starved by now. Move aside so my Mary can compete.
Please, be respectful. This is my daughter.
So someone actually took her in. Just watch how my Mary completely destroys her.
My expensive paint set is worth more than 10 kids like her.
True talent comes from skill, not expensive supplies.
Let's sit down, Father. They're not worth our attention.
This year's secret theme is nature. Your time begins now.
Oh no! How am I supposed to paint trees?
Come on, Mary. Take out your expensive paints and make a few strokes. You'll win easily.
My hands are getting dirty. This costly pen isn't working. Why won't it draw properly?
This year's gold medal winner is Megan.
You did an amazing job, my daughter.
This is so embarrassing. I can't even look anyone in the eye.
Megan, my dear daughter, please forgive your mother. Come back home with me and your sister Mary.
I will never return to a heartless mother like you. And by the way, that perfume bottle was actually broken by Mary. She blamed me to avoid punishment.
Mary, is Megan telling the truth?
Yes. I accidentally broke it myself.
Oh my God. You lied to me all this time. And I am deeply disappointed in you.
If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next stories. Bye!